Hello, good morning dear students. Today in this class we are going to discuss your new chapter, The Magnificent Cake. The Magnificent Cake is your new chapter. I hope all of you like cakes because cake is very delicious food for it. Children and also elders also like very much cake, and birthday some programs we are cut the cakes and for the celebration. Okay, today in this class the magnificent cake discuss. Before going to discuss, first I read this chapter. Open your textbook, page number 68. After ruling the kingdom, textbook, the magnificent cake. After ruling the kingdom of Jagna for many years, one day Raja Dhanvir suddenly handed over the kingdom to his son Arjun, and with his wife, the queen sailed away to hope to adventures around the world. The people of kingdom set about planning a grand coronation for the prince. Let us bake the most wonderful cake, they said. Ranjit Singh, the placed head cook, was very worried, but there is so little time. What can I do? He said. All the people and the creatures of the kingdom loved their grandparents. They said, "It is true. No one can do it alone. We will all help to you bake the best cake you have ever made." The cook listed the ingredients for the cake: eggs, milk, cream, maida, sugar, honey and plums, and everyone quickly got to work. All the milkmen milked their cows. Hundreds of cows give sweet ceremony milk to the milkman. All the farmers harvested their wheat crops and sugarcane crop and took the wheat, grain and the sugarcane to the mills. All the millers grounded the wheat into the finest maida and extract the sugar from the cane. All the bees went from flower to the flower to gather and attract from honey. Okay, next we will start discuss the magnificent cake. After ruling the kingdom of Jagna for many years, one day Raja Dhanvir suddenly handed over the kingdom to his son. After ruling the kingdom of Jagna, the kingdom, what is the kingdom is what? Jagna. This is a kingdom. Kingdom means like a empire, Vijayanagara empire, like this. Called Jagna is one of the kingdom. This kingdom is ruled by the king Raja Dhanvir. Raja Dhanvir. Raja Dhanvir. He is the king of Jagna kingdom. Okay, Raja Dhanvir is king of Jagna kingdom. Suddenly handed over the kingdom to his son Arjuna. His son name is Arjun. After he ruled many years of Jagna, and after he handed his kingdom to his son Arjun. And with his wife, the queen, sailed away in the hope of adventures around the world. He planned with his wife to sail What is the meaning of sailed? Suddenly means immediately, you know. What is the meaning of sailed? The sailed means journey on water. Journey on water, on sea, on rivers. Journey. Okay. Sailed away in the hope of adventurers around the world. His wife, the queen, interested in the adventurous journey, is like a sail, means journey on water. The people of kingdom set about planning a grand coronation for the prince. You know, after the kingdom, after the ruling, the Raja Dhanvir, he gave his kingdom to his son Arjun. Handed over, he planned and handed over all the kingdom to rule for its son. We called the celebration. The coronation means ceremony. The ceremony is they are celebrating. This ceremony means coronation means ceremony. They want to celebrate that program because of they will give new king. The prince Arjun will become a new king for them. Let us bake the most wonderful cake, they said. They planned celebration of two new bake the cake. They want celebrate with the new cake. They preparing for the new cake. Ranjit Singh, the placed head cook, was very worried, but there is so little time. What can I do? He said. Ranjit Singh is a head cook of that kingdom. You know, all the kings have head cooks, and there is a lot of servants in the palace. And also, that name was Ranjit Singh. His work is a cooker. Cooking head is a head cook on that kingdom. In the kingdom, he is a head cook. He was worried because there is no time. There is a little time here because we cannot we cannot bake the cake suddenly. All the people and creatures of the kingdom loved their young prince. They said, all the people, all the workers, all the creatures, they are very much loved. The new prince become Arjun. Arjun is the prince. Arjun, he will become the king. That time we make more celebration on that day. But on that day they are preparing the cake. But there is no lot of time to bake the cake. But they are all the people celebration that time. It is true. No one can do it alone. It's true. I agree with you. The head cook Ranjit Singh, I agree with you. But we will ready to help to you. No one can do it alone. No one can do it alone. We cannot do it alone. One man can do it. Not. It is the possible. But we are all with you. Don't worry about Ranjit Singh. We are all with you. We will help to bake the cake. We will all help you bake the best cake you have ever made. We are all helpful to you. Because making the cake, because there is a celebration of new king ceremony. We are all with you. Don't worry about that. We will make a new cake. The cook listed the ingredients for the cake: eggs, milk, cream, maida, sugar, honey, and plums. And everyone quickly go to work. You know what are the ingredients? Ingredients means list of foods, making foods, list of foods. Eggs, milk, cream, maida, sugar, honey and plums, and everyone quickly go to the. What is the item ingredients to make the cake? The eggs, milk, cream, maida, sugar, honey and plums. This all the items want for making the cake. Quickly got to work. All the milkmen milked their cows. Hundreds of cows gave sweet ceremony milk to the milkman. Therefore, suddenly the milkman milked milk from their cows. All the milkmen milked their cows. Hundred of cows give sweet ceremony milk to the. Not only 1 or 2 or 3 or 10, 20. The 100 of cows will give milk for the making the magnificent cake. All the farmers harvested their wheat crops and sugarcane crop and took the wheat grain and the sugar cane to the mills. All the farmers harvested. All the farmers harvested means cut the crops. It is a farmers celebration in the harvest time. This is the one of the beautiful like a fair. They are harvested, cut the crops. Which crops? Wheat crops and sugar cane, and took the wheat grain and sugar cane to the mill. We can buy the sugar cane from the sugar cane. What? The sugar. Okay. All the millers grounded the wheat into the finest maida and extracted the sugar from the cane. All the millers grounded to the vita into the finest maida. We can get vita into the maida and extracted sugar from the sugar cane. All the bees went from the flowers to gather nectar from honey. All the bees went from the flowers to gather nectar from the honey. Here there is not only farmers and milkmaids and also bees also work for new king the Prince Arjun to celebrate the ceremony making the new cake. Many people working for making the cake, and not only this and also many other people ready to work for the making the cakes. We will discuss next class. Okay, thank you.